Have you ever thought about growing your own exotic berries? Imagine the thrill of cultivating unique, flavorful fruits right in your backyard. We'll explore a variety of these berries, each with its own unique appeal. You may find growing your own exotic berries more rewarding than the usual strawberries and blueberries. Let's see why. First, you need to decide which exotic berries you'd like to grow. Consider factors like climate, soil type, and your own palate. For warmer climates, goji berries thrive. In cooler areas, consider honeyberries. Once you've chosen your berries, it's time to prepare your garden. Preparing your garden is an essential step in growing exotic berries. Begin by selecting a sunny location. Next, enrich your soil with compost for a nutrient boost. Finally, establish an effective watering system. With your garden ready, it's time to plant. Planting and caring for your berries will determine their growth and yield. Begin by planting each berry in well-draining soil, spaced according to their variety's needs. Regular watering is essential, but avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Fertilize your plants in early spring, just before new growth begins. Be on the lookout for common pests and diseases such as aphids and powdery mildew, and treat them promptly. With proper care, your exotic berries will thrive and produce a bountiful harvest. The reward for your hard work comes during the harvest. It's crucial to pick your exotic berries at the right time, when they're fully ripened. This ensures a burst of unmatched flavor. Now, you can enjoy your own homegrown exotic berries. Growing your own exotic berries can be a fun and rewarding experience. Remember, choose wisely, prepare your garden, nurture them well, and reap the sweet fruits of your labor. Experience the joy of gardening and the thrill of tasting your own exotic berries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!